you is to be. It's if you want to be, you want, you do, it's you work, you can be. Stop your waking, we're up, you're working up to be. You go wherever you go, it's 10 hours in many hours you will be. Worth the day with worth never be. In the times with we're traveling, it's my easy way. What I was walking, we're swimming, my eye was real. The days where I will go far away. But you know what you are doing here? We're doing this for you and to everybody. Tell me why, what you doing and what is doing me? What you doing, I do, it's over you. That's why we need to over you. It's overdue. Sometimes we dare gap what I do, but you know, it's over. How many hours of our day we do wherever it is, we do nothing what you're doing even more. In you, right now, you see this video, you realize that everything what you do, it happens to this world. Put your mind, your future. It's about your habits right now. Whatever you do, your happiness is what to do. What you gonna do? It's over you.